I never had no one that I could count on. I've been let down so many times.
And I believe that over the last 35 years, it's led us to where we're at today. With Erin, with Cody, with my 3 daughters, with my 3 son-in-laws now. I couldn't be happier, more proud to be where we're at.
For the first time, I didn't feel alone.
And the day I realized that she was the keeper here for Cody was the day that she challenged me to a taco cook-off, of which I have not yet taken her up on. And to this day, it solidifies my decision not to do that. Because if she put half the effort into that, and she did putting this together for everybody, I would not stand a chance.
I don't know where I'd be without
Cody, Erin, I love you guys.
I love you, man.
Cody, you are a brave man to join in our family. After seeing my father sit in the living room in his underwear almost every other day for the last 10 years. And Cody, the first time I met you, my zipper was down. And you said, "Hi, I'm Cody. Zip your zipper." So we have a nice poem that we'd like to share with you. Smile at each other. Smile at your wife. Smile at your husband. Smile at your children. Smile at each other. It doesn't matter who it is, but that will help your love grow stronger for one another.
when we make love. You're more than a lover. There could never be another.